Do you expect more from your communication system? Let's dream for a moment. What if you had features that were easy to use? What if you could tie multiple offices to the same services? What if you could dramatically reduce your communications costs? What if your system offered unlimited flexibility to scale up and down or add applications on demand? And what if you could get all this without even having to buy a phone system? Introducing Qwest OneFlex hosted VoIP service. Qwest OneFlex hosted VoIP puts you in control of your communications by streamlining separate and ordinary devices into a single solution that is designed to fit your business today and in the future. Now your office phone, mobile phone, and desktop computer all work together, delivering productivity enhancements never seen before. With this new outsourced solution, you'll avoid the cost of upgrading or buying a new phone system and save money every month on your overall communication services. Qwest OneFlex hosted VoIP combines the simplicity of your phone with the flexibility of the internet to help you better serve your customers. The service is easy to implement because it's designed to fit your business with minimal upfront costs. It easily ties remote locations together so users share the same voicemail and features, and remote employees don't need special equipment or software to access the service. Finally, there is a new and easier approach to getting the latest network technology, all for one low monthly price. Get the services at a cost that is lower than traditional voice services. Get the flexibility with easy-to-use applications. Get improved productivity with one simple solution designed for your business. With Qwest OneFlex hosted VoIP service, you have access to a powerful and productive communication solution that consolidates voice, data, local IP, and long-distance services onto a single network, cutting your expenses and putting you in control. All of these services are provided from Qwest in a single solution, so you can focus on your business instead of your communication systems. You instantly control your own moves, ads, and changes from any internet connection, from your home, a kiosk, or another office, anywhere in the world. No longer do you need to call multiple vendors or hire an expensive technician to get the support you need. At the foundation of these new services are familiar phone system-like features, including station-to-station dialing, multiple line appearances, call hold, call forwarding, call transfer, caller ID, call waiting, do not disturb, call park, call pickup, conferencing, voicemail, hunt groups, and more. Qwest went beyond this basic service to offer even more easy-to-use features from the phone and new browser-based functionality available from any internet connection. Qwest OneFlex hosted VoIP provides you capabilities such as call logs, click-to-call dialing, hosted directories, VoIP personal locator services, unified messaging, call forwarding anywhere, and more, all at flat rate plans that make budgeting easier for you. You get a personalized web portal to view your latest missed calls and previously dialed numbers. Simply click to return any of those calls from your office phone, just like on most cell phones. Instantly you're connected, saving time and money for your company. You can also set your availability and decide where and when to receive calls. And the unified messaging feature delivers all messages, voicemail and fax, to one inbox, saving you time and putting you in control of your communications. Let's say you have just returned to your office from a meeting and you've been waiting for calls from 2 important clients. When you are away from your desk, the service keeps track of who has called. It also tracks your previous incoming and outgoing calls, just like your cell phone. You see that one of these VIP clients did call, so you click to return their call immediately, like this. That's great if you're at the office, but what if you're not? Remote workers can be just as productive when they're away from the office. That's the power of personalized web portal. You can access it from any internet connection. Let's say you're leaving your office and you want to make sure you don't miss another call. With the Qwest OneFlex hosted VoIP service, you can easily forward your phone to another location with a click of a mouse. For example, you want your calls to go to your mobile phone or home number, and if you're not available at those locations, you want the calls to be directed back to your office voicemail. Without giving callers your personal numbers, the Reach Me service will locate you in or out of the office. You're in control. Qwest provides you and your employees ultimate mobility while keeping professionalism intact for your callers. While forwarding your phone with one click is better than most phone systems can offer, the service doesn't stop there. What if you only want a couple of clients or callers to be able to reach you at your private numbers? No problem. The Qwest OneFlex hosted VoIP service, My Assistant feature, acts as your personal location service working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to help you connect with your key callers. With ReachMe, you can set your availability so only key callers can reach you anywhere and anytime. You decide who is a VIP and whether or not that person should be allowed to reach you on your remote numbers. For your callers, the only number they need is your office number. My Assistant service lets you create the ultimate and personalized service to ensure you talk to the people that are most important to you, not whoever dialed you first. Have you ever wasted time searching for a colleague's phone number or dialing from an outdated directory? Not anymore. With the Qwest OneFlex hosted VoIP service, users can have their own personal directory, and you can instantly click to call on any listing, saving you time and money on every call. If employees use Microsoft Outlook, they can also access these options and consolidate contacts from Outlook into one directory, all within the application. Another added benefit, you can bundle local calling minutes together with Qwest OneFlex hosted VoIP for one low monthly rate. And if you have multiple offices, on-network calling between offices is included, which will provide you significant savings on your communication costs. There are no access numbers, account numbers, or PIN numbers to remember. Now there's also a new way to manage your messages. Traditionally, voicemail, while a great tool, can be challenging because you must listen to one message at a time, and you never know who a message is from until you listen. Now, with the unified messaging option, you can see and hear your voicemail messages. Using the personalized web portal, you get caller ID, so you can see who the messages are from, and decide which message you want to hear first. Conveniently, the messages are played through your computer speakers, rather than your phone, and you can email these voicemail messages to others. You're probably wondering how you manage a service like this. Here's the control you've been looking for, without all the complexity. Whenever you need to make a change, you use the Office Administrator portal and make changes instantly. It's so easy, you can make the changes yourself. No need to pay outside vendors, no need to wait or coordinate third-party vendor site visits. With just a few clicks, the changes are activated instantly. You're in control. Yes, once again, from any internet connection. As for managing the rest of the service, we do that for you, so you don't have to be in the phone business anymore. Qwest was made for VoIP. Our proprietary industry-leading network has the physical infrastructure required to deliver tomorrow's communication services today. Simply put, Qwest OneFlex hosted VoIP puts the power to increase productivity into your hands today. It's not just another technology, it's a better technology, providing the simplicity, flexibility, and speed required to position your business for the future. But don't just take our word for it. Many companies, such as real estate firms, accounting offices, consulting firms, banks, medical offices, software companies, and others have switched from on-site phone systems to these new types of hosted communication services. You can benefit as well.